How to apply Grabfood delivery with a bike. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you the specific steps for you to apply to be a Grab food delivery using your bike. Now first is you need to know what are the necessary requirements. Pull up your web browser and then type in Grab. Now choose on the very first result that will redirect you into their official site, and then at the top left, choose on the three lines, choose on BOR partner, and choose on food delivery driver. Now, sometimes you will not be able to see the sign up option, but what you want to have to do is just simply download the application. Scroll down, and these are all the requirements that you need. Of course, you need to have a professional driver's license to be qualified to apply for a Grab food delivery bike. Once you have all these options or all these requirements right here, this is going to be the time that you go into your Google Play Store or any app store available on your end. Now choose on the application that's going to be Grab Driver and open it, and this is where you can officially apply and provide your documents. And that is how you apply a GrabFood delivery with your bike.